Hello everyone and welcome. We are discussing syllogism and we were talking about the third concept, which is we can draw valid conclusion only for definite reasons of a minimum overlapping diagram. Now let's solve some more problems. Now see, this is the next case. It says all spoons are chair. So all spoons are chair. Right now this spoon is completely inside chair, so this spoon wala reason is definite, and the reason which is there outside this spoon and inside chair is not known to us, hence indefinite. So I'm not writing the indefinite and definite reason right now, because in the actual exam you just have to visualize the definite reason and indefinite reason for the diagram. You don't have to write it down over and over again. Okay, the task is to visualize it. Okay, so spoon is lying inside chair, so spoon will be definite, and everything which lie outside the spoon will be indefinite according to statement 1. Now all plates are chair, so plate should be drawn inside the chair like this. Entire plate should be drawn inside the chair. So entire plate is one more definite reason for chair, because all plates are chair, so every plate will lie inside the chair. So the plate and plate, the entire reason under the plate should be a definite reason for chair also. Now in this case, do not draw diagrams like this. Spoon and plate. Do not show the intersection of spoon and plate. While drawing these kind of diagrams, do not show the overlapping of spoon and plate. No, don't do this. Don't draw the diagram like this. Spoon, plate and chair. Don't do this, because you need to draw spoon and plate separately like this. Why? Because in these two statements, no direct information regarding spoon and plate is given. So since no direct information between spoon and plate is given, so you will draw spoon and plate separately like this, and then join them with the help of a doubt line. This is what? This is doubt line. What do we mean by doubt line? Doubt line meaningly, we do not know what exists between spoon and plate. The meaning of doubt line is how spoon and plate are related is not given directly in the statement. I hope this is clear. Kindly draw it. Now let's solve this question now. Conclusion 1. No plate is spoon. Now see, we have a doubt line between plate and spoon. We have a doubt line between plate and spoon. So this conclusion is not valid. Why? Because no direct information between spoon and plate is given, so we cannot draw anything. Okay, now let's talk about conclusion 2. Some chairs are not spoon. Now it might possible that as soon as you people will see this statement or will see this conclusion, you will immediately jump to this conclusion, or you will immediately say, sir, conclusion 2 should be a valid conclusion, because in this diagram I can say these chairs that are outside, spoon and plate can be called those chairs that are not spoon. It might possible that a lot of you people will say, sir, this reason, this chair which that lying outside the spoon wala circle is not spoon. But dear student, the reason that you are talking about, or the reason which is lying outside spoon, is indefinite reason, because neither in statement 1 nor in statement 2 we have any information regarding the remaining chair, or having any information regarding the chair that are lying outside spoon or the chairs that are lying outside plate. Since we do not have any information regarding the remaining chairs, that is why this conclusion is not valid as well. So the answer of this question should be neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Kindly note down. Okay, let's move on. Now this is the next problem. Let's try to understand this. It says all drivers are heavy. Now all drivers are heavy, so driver inside the heavy. Now you need to visualize that this driver wala circle will be definite, and everything outside this driver should be indefinite, because in the statement 1 we do not have any information regarding all the heavies. We know about all the drivers but do not know about all the heavies. Okay, so just visualize it that driver is definite and outside driver everything is indefinite. Now next, some keys are heavy. Now some keys are heavy should be drawn like this. Some keys are heavy should be drawn like this. There should be an intersection between key and heavy. Okay, so some keys are heavy, so this part of key and heavy, because sum is given, so this part of key and heavy is definite. I'm highlighting definite reason with the help of parallel lines and indefinite reason with the help of circles. So this intersection between heavy and key is definite, and apart from it the remaining part of key is indefinite, because we have information about some keys. What the remaining keys are doing, we do not have any information given explicitly in the statements. Okay, now no driver is key. Now this conclusion is between driver and key, and if I pay attention to my given statement, I can see no direct information between driver and key is given. No direct information between driver and key is given. In this case, we draw doubt line. So there will be a doubt line between driver and key, and whenever we have a doubt between driver and key, we do not know what kind of relationship they will have. That is why conclusion 1 is not valid. Do not try to answer like, sir, in this particular diagram I can see driver and key are disjoint, but it is not given directly here. That is why we are neglecting it. Whenever something is not given, or relationship between two subjects is not given directly, so we will join those two subjects with the help of a doubt line. Doubt line meaningly what kind of relationship between those two subjects is existing, we cannot say that with 100% surety. Hence conclusion 1 is not valid. Now some keys are not heavy. As soon as you will pay attention to this conclusion, you will immediately jump to these keys that are lying outside the intersection, and these keys that are lying outside the intersection is indefinite reason. That is why this conclusion 2 is not valid. Okay, so the answer of this question should be neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. Kindly mark it. So thank you so much guys.